Hey there, I'm super glad you've joined me today as we dive deep into the world of Jira, the popular project tracking tool. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to configure workflows in Jira, enabling you to streamline tasks and truly harness the power of automation. So let's take the plunge and begin our journey. First things first, what we're going to do is create a new workflow. So navigate yourself over to your settings, then click on Work and finally on Workflows. Now here's where the magic begins. Look for the button saying Create New Workflow and give it a name that makes sense for what you want to achieve with it. Then go ahead and hit that Create button. You're probably wondering, why do we need to create a workflow? Well, workflows are vital in Jira. They represent the sequence of tasks in your projects, guiding tasks from the start to the finish line. They're made up of statuses and transitions, so let's get those set up next. You're going to notice two options, a diagram editor and a text editor. These are your tools to add statuses like to do, in progress, and done, and define how work transitions between these stages. It's all about visualizing your process and your team's journey to completion. Now on to creating a new status. You're going to want to associate it with a category. Why? Well, it's all about clarity, organization, and ease of navigation for your team. After that, you're going to define your transitions. Here you're detailing how your tasks move from one status to another. The cool part is you can customize this to your heart's content. You can define specific paths or just be a free spirit and allow movement from any status to another. This flexibility is what makes Jira such a versatile tool. By this point, you will have designed your workflow, but we're not quite done yet. Remember to hit save. Your workflow is now designed, but it's in an inactive state. We'll sort that out soon. But first, take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put in so far. It's coming together, right? Moving on, it's time to create a workflow scheme. Look for the Add Workflow Scheme button and give it a click. Add a name and a description that sums up your brilliant scheme. This will help in the future if you want to reuse or edit the scheme or while sharing it with your teammates. Once you've done that, either select an existing scheme or the new one you just created and hit the Edit button. This is where you're going to associate your brand new workflow with the desired issue types within the scheme. This is crucial as the scheme defines which workflows apply to which issue types, thus making your workflows come alive. That's it, take a deep breath because you've just become a Jira workflow master. But remember, practice is what keeps the master sharp, so come back to this video as often as you need. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in managing your projects in a more effective and efficient way. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you've enjoyed this walkthrough, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future tips and tricks regarding Atlassian Jira. Keep doing amazing things and see you in the next video.